What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to go over a specific comment about Smart List, and it's from Triuni Unavia, basically saying, is there a way to share your Smart List to a specific user? Thank you in advance, and that is a 100% for sure. So once you create Smart List inside HighLevel, and if you are trying to figure out Smart List in general all over, you can go into, this is basically on the video that I made here, which is Smart List Made Easy, where I go over everything about Smart List. But in this specific video, I'm going to go over how to share a specific Smart List with a user inside your HighLevel account. So when you go to create a Smart List, right, very quickly, it will only be viewable to you, right? Now, the next step for you, if you want that Smart List for your full team or for a specific person, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the right-hand side where it says customize list, or not here, the three dots, and then click on manage Smart List on the right-hand side. Once you're here, you're going to see the type of Smart List that you have. You might have global list, and you also might have people, if you only share to one person. So these here, like for example, let's say Google Contacts, that's the one I want to share to a specific person on my team. I'm going to click on the little share icon on the right-hand side. Then from there, select the specific user. All your users are going to be there. And if you have one user in here that you want to share specifically to, you're going to click on it, click on save, and then now you have shared that Smart List with a specific user. Now you can do one user, a few user, or you can do all of your users, or it's called global list, right? So if I have, let's say 10 team members and I want everybody on my team to have the Facebook leads Smart List, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Click on share and then do share with all users and then click on save. And that's it. That's how you share your Smart List for specific users. Now, if you want to have a full breakdown on the Smart List, go ahead and go check out. I'm going to link the video here, Smart List Made Easy. It's going to go through the whole entire thing for you and on everything in regards to Smart List. And then, of course, if you have any other questions about HighLevel, I'm going to go through them one by one. Go down in this video, comment down below any questions you may have in regards to HighLevel, and I'll do a video just for you. All right. Thank you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.